Hello everyone and welcome to this week's video, which is about something I've been dreading to do for months and months, if not years, and that is I am finally going to get into Lego Technic. In this video I'll try to find out what is Lego Technic, what can it do, and why don't I get it.
Don't get it.
And I'm doing all this because I want to get better at making Lego mugs, and I think this is the way to go. So the first question is, what is Lego Technic? Well, a quick Google search will tell you it is for making advanced models of working machines and vehicles. So, that answers that. What can Lego Technic do? Well, again, Google had the same answers before, so I actually had to do some thinking here, and I guess it adds strength and I would say movement to a build. You could argue there are some decoration aspects to it, but mostly to me it's just naked bricks. It seems like it's Lego you've bought at IKEA. You got them and now you have to assemble them to make a whole brick. Which leads me nicely into the next question, why don't I get it?
Are you stupid or something?
Yes, the easy answer is I am stupid, but I don't think that's the whole reason. Sure, it doesn't help, but I think the real reason is I just haven't spent any time on it really. Which is why I am now going to take the time to actually try and figure this out, sit down and just grind until it gears, Yeah, this is gonna be a whole series, just like last year, was it last year? Where I just made mini builds for like 6 months? Yeah, I'm gonna do about 6 months of Technic now, give or take. Cause so far all I seem to be able to do is just make this horizontal kind of gear turning thing. I don't know what you can use this for. I mean, you can make some worms or some dancing figures. That's all the ideas I have so far. What I really want to figure out is how you can make this 90-degree turn so it turns on an axis. Ironically, I actually did this last December. I'm gonna have to figure out how I did that. Yeah, back then I promised I'll make a fish do this. Which actually since then, I found this guy on Instagram who's made an how-to. So I tried to follow it for myself. But even with all the Lego I've acquired over the past 5 years, I was still missing 2 bricks to make this fishing fish swim. How does this still happen? How is my collection always 2 fries from a Happy Meal? And how do you find a brick that you don't even know the name of? Seriously, how do you? If you know, please share, cause my dumbass just went on to Rebrickable and began searching for flat, round, spiked, jaggedy. I don't even know if jaggedy is a word. But still nothing came up. So I had to go category to category until I came upon this mystical brick hidden deep inside the Rebrickable engine, and when I found it and found out the name of it, I couldn't really get mad. Splat gear. Of course. I mean, it all makes sense if you just imagine everyone in the brick naming department at Lego is a 12-year-old boy. I dread to imagine what they've named this though. But getting back to the brick, this link here shows every official Lego set that's had this splat brick included. So I think that'll be my mission for the next week, trying to find these 2 bricks in one of these hundreds of sets. I mean, some of them must still be in circulation. But I won't leave you until I show you the mug of the week, which I guess the winner is this clock. It doesn't move or work. Well, I guess it works twice a day. Just like me. I promise for next time I will also improve this clock. So that'll be it for me this time. As always, thank you for watching, and please do press the like and subscribe buttons if you're actually here, because YouTube is hardcore, man. But as always, you have a lovely day and I'll see you later. Cheers, bye.